Okay, this will be just a brief tutorial about sample space and geometry. This will just discuss a couple of things. This one won't be that long. Let's see. Let's go to the basics, the more important parts that we want to see for this. So odds, fair odds, that'd be like playing cards. Think of like two aces. Think of like, okay, you have a 10, you have fair. Okay, odds are 50 to 1, odds are 10 to 1, something along those lines. It has to be fair. So, like how it says here in our example, like to make profit, casinos set the payout odds for a less than fair result. So, but typically, like in a card game, you would have like fair odds just playing cards at home. Okay. House ends. This represents the profit with casinos. What's going on here? And then here's an article about, let's see, sample space. Talks about what are the odds of rolling a dice and finding out what happens next. Okay. Let's go back to our question. I'll have you do these questions on your own. Typically, I won't go over the questions. Sample space, it just talks about this. Okay, so you have a spinner here, or a circle, however you want to call it. Then you have blue, red, and yellow. Three things. So you have a 1/3 chance of landing on each thing. You spin the spinner, once on red, once on blue, once on yellow, and then each additional turn, you get a different color, and then so on and so on and so on. So if you use the tree diagram here in figure 2, it kind of breaks it down like here's the 3 rolls, or here's the 3 spins or rolls, whatever you want to call it, and then here's what I did next, and then next. So as you can see, you have a 1/3 chance of landing on each color. Okay, let's go to the next part. So here's probability. Think of like you have a dice. A dice has 6 sides. You have a 1 in 6 chance of landing on a certain number, something like that. This stuff right here, unless you can do the questions on your own. Here's probability. It's just showing different outcomes. Okay. And hopefully that clears it up. I'll do another mini lesson pretty soon on probability just to clear a couple other things up, and hope you enjoyed.